Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Hanmant. This video is only for educational purpose and this is a view on Reliance for 6th September 2021. And as far as this particular Reliance stock is considered, it is showing a kind of upward trend. Even in 15 minutes time frame, we could understand that this particular stock has made a good move in the last session, and in the previous sessions also it is taking support over the 50-day moving average over here, and this particular 50-day moving average is lying above the 200-day moving average. And let me consider here its momentum even in 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame also we could understand that this particular stock has made a good rally in the recent few days, right? And yesterday in the last session it has shown a kind of better bullish move as compared to the previous days. And let us move to the still better higher time frame, that is daily time frame, and here we could clearly understand that as compared to the previous highs, it has come out of this particular zone of previous high, and now this particular stock has made a kind of big elephant candle over here, a good bar over here, which has very small wick on either side but a huge body for this particular candle. So what does this indicate? This indicates that there is a kind of huge momentum that can happen in the coming days, and I feel that this particular stock could be a good one for upside momentum, and it may show further rally in the coming days. And not only for this particular daily time frame, even on weekly basis we could understand that this particular stock, though it was in this particular range of nearly up to 2400, and on the downside it was up to 1900. So this particular stock has taken a good support in the previous few days, and now it has come out of this particular range, and now it may make up a good levels where it can take, in case if it comes back to a lower level, it may get a good support at this particular level of 2560, or in case if even it breaks down to this particular level temporarily, it may even get support at 2290 or 2270 levels, where it can be a good bet to even enter into the stock. And what is the probability for it to again come back to the lowest levels? Let us see here. When we consider this particular stock, as long as it stays above this particular 15 minutes time frame, as long as it stays above the 50-day moving average, better hold on to the upward journey in this stock. And in case if the stock makes a kind of turn below the 50-day moving average in 15 minutes time frame, temporarily it may come back and take support at this particular level of around 2360, and in this case for a very short time period it can show a retest of 2360 also, but the stop loss in that case would be 2323. 2323 would be the stop loss for very low time frame of nearly 2 to 3 days or 3 to 5 days. We can consider this to be as the stop loss. 2323 could be the stop loss. And if we go on a long term basis, then this particular stock can even make a good targets of nearly 7% on the upside. The target can be around 2347. Let us check it once again here. In case this is the point of entry, that is 2360, if it is the point of entry, then the target would be around 7.8%, and the stop loss would be around 1.6%, or 2323, which is nearly 40 points from this point of entry of 2362. If the point of entry could be around 2362, then the stop loss could be around 2323, where in this case the target would be around 183 points on the upside, and the target is around 7.75 percentage, that is a value of 2545 on higher levels. Friends, this is a view on Reliance in the coming days, and better have a risk to reward ratio properly when we enter into any of the stock, because the high probability is that whenever we are in any particular stock, sometimes if it moves against our view, then we must be in a position to understand and readjust our position sizing, or our view has to change temporarily, so that we can have a re-entry into the stock, because this particular stock has a high probability of moving in the upward direction, and it may make a new highs in the coming days. Then at that condition, we always have to focus over this particular a lower time frame of 15 minutes, where in case if the stock comes down temporarily, then try to accept the stop loss. First of all, if you accept the stop loss, then the stock will give a better chance to re-enter when it moves above the 50-day moving average in 15 minutes. That could be an indication, and where as long as this particular stock stays above 2265 above, as long as the stock stays above 2260 to 65 above, and if it moves above 50-day moving average in 15 minutes, then that could be a good chance for it to make a long journey in the upward direction in the coming days. Friends, this is my view on Reliance on delivery basis, and make a position sizing in a correct way, so that market may give a better opportunities for us to enter into the stock at good levels. Friends, if you like this particular video, please do share, subscribe and support my channel. Thank you.